The era of European dominance in ultra-luxury just came to a silent, sudden end. This is the 2026 Cadillac Celestiq-V, and I need you to sit with that name because V has never been attached to a silent car before. A legendary performance badge fused onto pure electric muscle. Stick with me, because this hand-built American flagship might be the most important car Cadillac has ever made. Every Celestiq-V is born inside GM's Global Technical Center, hand-fitted and hand-stitched by a small team. More sculpting than manufacturing. The standard Celestiq was whisper quiet, effortlessly elegant. The V version takes that same DNA and injects pure aggression. Same bones, completely different soul. Now, the number everyone's obsessing over. This thing dances right around the 1,000 horsepower threshold. An upgraded dual motor architecture with torque vectoring sends power to individual wheels in milliseconds, carving corners like it reads your mind. Cadillac also built an entirely new cooling system to keep the battery performing at its peak through repeated high-speed runs. And when you're done attacking the track, an 800-volt fast-charging system gets you back to full power fast. Track session, quick charge, back out again. Minimal downtime, maximum adrenaline. None of that power matters if the car can't stay planted. Functional carbon fiber splitters up front and an active rear wing keep this beast glued to the pavement. And despite the massive battery weight, aggressive weight-saving measures throughout the chassis keep it feeling agile, not sluggish. Then there's the performance-tuned MagneRide 4.0 suspension, shifting personality in real time, soaking up cobblestones one moment, locking down for a track corner the next. Step inside and a 55-inch pillar-to-pillar display streams V-specific telemetry and real-time performance coaching. Data once reserved for race drivers. Racing-inspired Alcantara meets traditional hand-stitched leather. And an immersive spatial audio system synthesizes a unique electric exhaust note that rises and falls with your inputs, finally giving EVs that soul-stirring feedback they've always lacked. So can this thing go toe-to-toe with the ultra-luxury elite? Lined up against a Rolls-Royce Spectre and a Lucid Sapphire, the Celestiq-V fights back with more torque, sharper handling, and hand-built exclusivity America has never offered at this level. It's more than one flagship sedan. It's a cultural shift, an American coach-built EV stepping into a conversation Europe has controlled for generations. Does it justify that multi-million-dollar price tag? For collectors chasing rarity, for enthusiasts wanting a piece of the moment silent power learned to roar, absolutely. The 2026 Celestiq-V isn't whispering its way into the conversation. It's kicking the door down. Would you take the Celestiq-V over a Spectre if the keys were in front of you? Drop your answer below and smash subscribe for the next deep dive into the future of performance.